Understanding the phrase, time is money. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very popular English phrase, time is money. This phrase is often used in business and everyday life, and understanding its meaning and usage can be incredibly helpful in both professional and personal contexts. So, let's dive in and unpack this interesting expression. Time is money is a phrase that has been around for centuries, with its earliest known use dating back to the 1700s. The basic idea behind this expression is that time is a valuable resource, just like money. Therefore, wasting time is equivalent to wasting money. In a broader sense, it means that we should use our time productively and efficiently, as every moment can be translated into an opportunity to earn or achieve something. To help you understand how to use time is money in real-life situations, let's look at a few examples. 1. In the workplace, imagine you're in a meeting that's dragging on without any productive outcomes. You might say, "We need to conclude this meeting soon. Remember, time is money." 2. Personal life. If a friend keeps procrastinating on starting a project, you could remind them, "Time is money. You should start working on your project before it's too late." 3. In advice. Offering advice on time management, you might say, "Always plan your day wisely. Time is money, and you don't want to waste it." This phrase is not just a linguistic expression but also reflects a cultural value, especially in societies that prioritize efficiency, punctuality, and productivity. It highlights the importance of valuing time in our lives. In cultures where this phrase is commonly used, there is often a strong focus on time management, deadlines, and efficient work practices. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, time is money, and its significance in both language and culture. Remember, appreciating the value of time can lead to more productive and fulfilling experiences in both your personal and professional life. Thanks for watching, and keep using your time wisely.